Hello everyone. In this video, I will give you an overview of connections, like what type of connections we have in SAP Analytics Cloud and what are the advantage of each one, like what are the purpose of each one. We will be talking about pros and cons. So first of all, we have three type of connections in SAP Analytics Cloud. The first one is live connections, the second one is import connections, and lastly we have acquired connections. So each one has its own purpose of using. In this video we will be talking about live connections. So live connections allow us to connect directly to the data source and get real-time data. So like we have two databases. Let me just draw it. And database, so we have two databases. We have this our main database like S/4HANA or SQL or anything, our database. And then we have another database, that is SAC database. This is SAC database. So in live connection we don't save data in SAC database. We save our data in our database and create a model. Like we create a model here. This is our model. We will be talking about models in the next coming videos, so it will clear you more. And then we have stories. So this is our story. We can call it dashboard, story, or these are the same words, story, dashboard. So in live connection we store our data in our database and connect it with the model. Like let me just draw it. This is our database and this is SAP Analytics Cloud database. So we don't store data here. So our data connect to the model, and then from model we create a story. So this is our sequence, like our database connect to the model, and in model we don't have data. So in live connection we have security of data, and then model from model we create stories. So likewise in other data sources we have different scenarios. So what are the pros and cons? Like I have told you already, we have real-time data access. If I update anything in my database, it will refresh on my story. And the data security, since the data is not storing in SAP Analytics Cloud database, so our data is safe, like what we give access, what we don't give access. And the cons are we have to depend on data source. Like if I don't have any database, so my stories won't work. And the source of compatibility, so connecting live data source, it requires peoples of basis, like they have to give you a connection, then you have to create your model. So I hope this video had cleared you, like why we use live connections and how we use live connection and what are the advantages of live connections. So that's it for this video, and see you in the next one.